Silverwood University is the training program here at Silverwood Theme Park, and it's really just been a great opportunity to kind of take on a continuous learning aspect here at Silverwood. Yes, we bring them in for orientation. We're going to front load them with a load of information, and then of course they've got their 101 classes that they're going to go through, which is the bare bones basics that they're going to need for their department trainings. But it's our job to make sure that we're turning over a really quality cast member that's going to know the information that they need to have for starting out in that department, and then we can continue that education through further department trainings, continuing with in-services and making sure that we're only building on the blocks that we already have. So this year in 2014, we added a video component to Silverwood University and all of our training that we did, and that's been a lot of fun to make and even more fun to watch. The video component really brought a lot of things together. You can tell someone how to do something, you can show them how to do something, but when they get to see it play out in real life, that's where they really saw the click happen. Of course, our cast members love to get to be a part of it. You know, they get excited to see their managers or their supervisors in the videos, and they're like, oh my goodness, that's my department, and they get really excited. And what was a lot of fun though was that moment when our cast members are like, oh, I get it now. And it's because they got to put it all together, and I think the video element has been a really great component that has rounded out our entire training program and been very successful for the 2014 season. This year we integrated a role play into that and kind of took a whose line is it anyway approach. We give them a time of day, a setting, and then also a concern that might come up. So maybe one of our rides isn't running, or we're out of a certain product at a certain food venue. They're the cast member that has to handle a guest with a concern that comes up, and maybe that concern is relevant to that situation or maybe it's not. And it really gives them a chance to practice verbalizing how do we put our mission statement, our values all into working with the guest. And I believe that if you can say it once in a training, you're more likely to say it out there with the guest in a real park situation. Silverwood University, I really believe, does ultimately affect the bottom line. Our training program is turning out a more well-rounded cast member and crew that has better knowledge of the park. They know how to better help and serve our guests, and they also know how to work safer and more efficiently, which is also going to ultimately affect cost control in lots of other areas as well. If we're turning out a top-notch product, and whether that's from our elephant ears to the service that we have in our retail stores or the interactions that our ride attendants have with our cast members, that total experience is what is going to keep people coming back time and time again.